At the edge of fire, a village dares to exist. Each sunrise here is both a blessing and a warning. From black ash, life grows again. To the children, the volcano is home, not horror. Laughter lives even under the mountain's shadow. They pray to the fire that gives and takes. The earth stirs, the mountain whispers again. Science listens where the earth begins to speak. Under glowing skies, fear turns into fascination. In an instant, paradise becomes peril. They run, not from life, but to keep it alive. The fire moves, unstoppable and unforgiving. The sky weeps ash, and silence follows. Even in ruin, faith does not fade. The mountain roars, a god awake in the dark. When the fire sleeps, only ashes remain. But from ashes, hope always returns. Laughter blooms, proof that life endures. The giant rests, watching, waiting. Here, under fire's shadow, humanity never gives up.